Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, March 8, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Wednesday's breakfast is milk, juice, and we don't exactly know the rest. Today's lunch is pizza pocket, carrots, chips, milk, and juice.
Today's weather is a high of 78, low of 65, mostly sunny, and a low % chance of rain.
Happy birthday! Yesterday's birthday was Justin Mitchell and Chalia Phillips. Today's birthday is JC.
Today's announcements. Thank you to everyone for making our halls look amazing. Our guests were so impressed with the creativity and talent that was on display. Congratulations, pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade for winning the distinguished medals. This week, we'll begin ACAP testing alternate schedules in Ms. Stewart's office across from the nurse station. Please be mindful of noise level when transitioning in the hallway and when having conversations near that area. Third quarter parent contact logs are due to Ms. Gibbs on Teacher Workday, Monday, March 20th. ACAP summative testing begins on March 21st. We will hold individual ACAP goal setting meeting with students beginning of next week. We want our students to realize the importance of doing their best on the state assessment. We're working on details for the incentive for our students who scored 3s and or 4s on last year's assessments. Library circulation is closed this week due to software changeover across the district. Today's late duty is Ms. Hogan.
Today, important dates. March 14th, ACAP alternate. March 9th, PST. March 16th, tutoring begins. March 17th, Kona Ice Day. Third quarter ends. March 21st, Teacher Workday. March 22nd, ACAP summative begins.
Congratulations to our already stars of last week. Top kindergarten through first class, Ms. Shaver. Top second through third class, Ms. Curd. And top fourth through fifth class, Ms. Barnes. Top kindergarten through first student, Princeton K. 10 lessons passed, Ms. Shaver's class. Top second through third grade student, Samara Shannon. 10 lessons passed, and Ms. Hatcher's class. Top fourth and fifth grade student, Jonathan Brando. 7 lessons passed, and Ms. Berlina's class.
Send us your questions. If you do have any questions that you were wondering about and need to be answered, please send it to the box in the library and we will hopefully get to answer it.
Today's question of the day. Emily wondered, how do you make a taco? She found the answer. Step 1. Cook beef in a 10-inch skillet over medium heat, 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until brown. Step 2. Stir salsa into beef. Heat to boiling, stirring constantly, reduce heat to medium-low, cook 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour beef mixture into large serving bowl. Step 3. Heat taco shells as directed on package. Serve taco shells with beef mixture, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. And that's how you make a taco.
That's all
for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.